1 by 8 divided by 5. Let me translate this problem. 1 by 8 divided by means this division sign, then 5. Look, this is a fraction, but this is a whole number. But we can easily change whole number as a fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now, change this division sign by multiplication signs and take the reciprocal of this fraction, 1 over 5. Now we need to multiply this fraction with this fraction. Multiply the top number together, 1 times 1, and bottom number together. So we are getting 1 over 40. 8 times 5 equal to what? Look, 8 times 5. 8 times 5 equal to 7 times 5 times 7 equal to 35. 8 times just at 5, 40. So 40. Here is the multiplication table of 5. 0 times 5 times 0 0, 5 times 1 5, 5 times 2 10, 5 times 3 15. To find out the multiplication table of 5 easily, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, like this, right? Look, this multiplication means repeated addition. Just add 5 8 times or add 8 5 times, you will get 40.